I wear a hat. Richard wears a hat. And James wears a hat. We start tonight with a letter. It's from a chap called Alan Massive Liar, and it says, "Dear Jez, Dick and Jim, I want a convertible supercar, but I only have £113,500 to spend. Can you help?" Well, this is very timely, actually, because as it happens, no, we can't.
This is the new Audi R8 V10 Spyder, which in this spec costs £113,500. And this is the new Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible, which, to all intents and purposes, costs £113,500.
If it's speed you're after, the Audi looks like the better bet because it is much, much more powerful. But because the Porsche is so much lighter, they both produce exactly 306 brake horsepower per tonne. If they were supermarkets, you'd do them for price fixing.
There's more too. They're both German, they're both four-wheel drive, and they both have hoods made from cloth,